introduce our control software, we use Retools, which is very popular and stable in China. And then this is the home page. We can switch different languages. Actually, it has totally 9 languages. For example, Chinese, English, French, Spanish, Russian, Korean, and other languages. Let's change into English. And you can see here, laser power, laser frequency. You can set up parameters before start to use this machine. And here, some parameters. And just click here. It has 3 functions: laser welding, laser cutting, weld seam cleaning, and remote cleaning. And just click here, you can switch different functions. And here it shows some instructions, tutorials how to switch different functions. Anyway, it's very convenient and also very easy to use and operate.